So what's up people, it's a Harry. Alright, so first thing first, sorry for being inconsistent on my YouTube channel, but I am back vibing on your screen again. And the reason behind I was being inconsistent is I was feeling very lazy and मेरा फ़ोन थोड़ा बहुत प्रॉब्लम दे रहा था शूट करने के लिए, तो इसलिए मैं शूट नहीं कर रहा था। पर आज मूड किया है शूट करने का, तो आज करेंगे और विल वाइब अगेन। सो let's jump into topic. This is my first fashion video and I have never tried a fashion video before. So let's just see how the video goes. So अगर कुछ गलतियाँ हो जाएगा तो चले लेना. So let's start the video. When you wear a suit, you typically wear a tie. It's more formal garment. It makes sense, but you don't always have to wear a tie with a suit, and there are definitely ways to lose the tie. Dress down the suit and wear the suit more casually. I am Neera Patode, and today 5 ways to style a suit without a tie. I am calling the first look here, the one you'd expected. This is the way that many guys choose to wear a suit without a tie. In fact, if you Google suit without a tie and look at the image results, literally the majority of them will look very similar to this outfit. Right here, blue suit with a white shirt. For some reason, that's the go-to. This particular look would not work as well, in my opinion, with more formal looking suit as a base. Let's talk about the shirt. If you are going to wear a suit without a tie and just do a button up shirt, I like to unbutton one extra button. It lends itself to the more casual feel and the more relaxed vibe that this kind of look projects. It just adds a little bit of cool factor to it. A look like this, simple and doesn't need much. Just a couple more things to mention. Here on my wrist, I went with classic golden color watch to play the overall sporty vibe. And then shoes. There are variety of ways to approach this. I decided to go with the chocolate brown loafer. Coming up with the next look, look 2, the winter one. This look is the least casual of the 5 that I'll be showing you today, but it is one of my favorite ways to wear a suit without a tie, and that's of course by swapping the traditional shirt and tie with a turtleneck. I understand that it's not casual in the same was that the previous look is, but the turtleneck gives the suit a completely different feel, and this is something you can do with a suit that does have that more formal feel. A turtleneck transforms that suit, your business suit, into something more casually elegant and comfortably sophisticated. On my wrist, leather strap watch, and finishing this look off with pair of Will Smith loafer. Look 3, the winter 2. Look 3 is very similar to before, but with small changes. Instead of using suit trousers, I am wearing black jeans. In the wrist, I am wearing my band HRX edition. Coming up with the glasses, I am wearing classic aviator frame spectacles for keeping up the cool and classy look. Moving up to the shoes, I am wearing olive color loafer. The next look, look 4, the summer one. Well, since the last look was more of a winter outfit, I decided to throw in something for summer. All that is to say, it's more casual fabric for a suit, which makes it easier to wear this suit without a tie and easier to do it in this particular way, which is a t-shirt. If you are going to do this, I recommend a crew neck t-shirt. I have tried a v-neck before, just doesn't look quite right, and make sure that it's well fitted. Color I choose white here for maximum contrast. With the suit, sunglasses are must to add the vibe with tinted gradient lens, giving it that kind of Hollywood feel. Watch is G-Shock with golden dial, and then pulling in the color of the shirt are the white chunky sneakers. Coming up with the last look, look number 5, the summer 2. This look is very casual, cool and simple as the previous one. This outfit adds a very clean and very cool impression by the color of the t-shirt. And always keep in mind, color combinations are important. Now see, I am having blue suit, so I am going with black, white and grey. But simply I can't go with yellow, red or olive. It will look weird and will not match the personality of the person. So keep in mind. And for shoes, I am wearing classic sneakers with golden stripes to add the complexion of cool look.
So that's the end of the video, guys. Hope you guys like the video, and I'm hoping that you guys will try these hacks और जुगाड़ कुछ भी बोल दो. और हाँ, अगर मेरे को इंस्टाग्राम पे फॉलो नहीं किया तो फॉलो करो, नाम यहाँ पे दे दूंगा, लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में रहेगा, तो फॉलो जरूर करना. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, then make sure to like, share, subscribe my channel. Till then, be unstoppable. Peace.